everybody! Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious and easy ready-to-eat keto noodles. So this is a plant-based noodle and some people even call it as Shirataki noodles, and this is pretty easy to make and it will be ready in no time. So let's get started. So the only ingredient to make the Shirataki noodles is the ready-to-eat noodle in spaghetti style. So the first thing I'm gonna do is to drain the noodles, and this comes in a clear package. And drain all the water. And now I'm gonna wash this well under running water. Meanwhile, I'm gonna boil some water. So as you can see, the water has come to a boil. Now I'm gonna add the noodles to the boiling water. Cook for 3 minutes, and this step is really important for removing the unpleasant odor. It's been nearly 3 minutes. Now I'm gonna drain the noodles. So as you can see, our noodles is all done. Now I'm gonna stir fry the noodles. And for the stir fry, you will need 2 eggs, half a cup of chopped onion, a package of ready-to-eat keto noodles cooked, 1 teaspoon of your favorite seasoning, and some salt to taste. Now let's see how to make this delicious and easy noodles with stir-fried eggs. Now take a heavy bottomed pan, add in 2 tablespoons of oil, and when the oil becomes hot enough, add in onions and saute them well. Now add in the eggs and scramble the eggs well. And after the egg is all cooked, add in the seasoning and some salt and mix it all together. And for the final step, add in the noodles and toss it well with the eggs. After it's all mixed up very well, turn off the flame. And that's it. Delicious and easy keto style ready to eat noodles is ready to be served. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more cooking videos. Bye.